Okay, so Oracle database, they've recently kind of updated their terms and conditions around disaster recovery, so I think it's important for people to understand that, because if you're using Oracle for disaster recovery, you don't understand the rules, you can run into a very big bill very quickly, okay? So let's look at the different scenarios. First point is, if Oracle's installed on a server, whether it's been used or not, it generally needs to be licensed, okay? Now going into specifics, there's the backup scenario. Backup is where your primary fails and a DBA uploads a tape onto a secondary server. That doesn't need to be licensed, okay? But you can only use backup for 4 days per year, and not for more than, you can't test for more than 2 days consecutively. Now, failover is probably the most contentious, okay? Failover is, you can have Oracle installed on a failover server for a maximum period of 10 days in a single failover server. But it's called a 10-day rule. It's for 10 24-hour periods. So basically, if you use failover for 10 minutes on Tuesday, and then 10 minutes on Wednesday, and 10 minutes on Thursday, that's half an hour. Doesn't matter. Oracle counts that as 3 days because you've used it on 3 separate days. And once you exceed 10 days, then you need a license, okay? You're going to be under licensed. Standby is where you're shipping data constantly from primary to secondary. So you're basically, you need a license, 100% need a license, and you need to have the same license metric and for the same product. So if you have database options installed on the primary, you need it for the secondary. And finally, remote mirroring is where the primary ships data to a storage area network. And when the primary fails, the data then drops down from the storage area network onto the secondary database, okay? In this scenario, you need to be 100% licensed, and the metrics need to match. So I hope this helps resolve some confusion, and we've got a data sheet that might help you also.